Lil Wayne legal troubles. Arrests and incarceration. On July 22, 2007, Lil Wayne was arrested in New York City following a performance at the Beacon Theater. The New York City Police Department discovered Lil Wayne and another man smoking marijuana near a tour bus. After taking Lil Wayne into custody, police discovered a .40 caliber pistol near his person. The gun, which was registered to his manager, was in a bag located near the rapper. He was charged with criminal possession of a weapon and marijuana. On October 22, 2009, Lil Wayne pleaded guilty to attempted criminal possession of a weapon. He was due for sentencing in February 2010 and was expected to receive a one-year county jail sentence, but on February 9, 2010, Lil Wayne's attorney announced that the sentencing was delayed until March 2 due to dental surgery, which was performed on February 16. The surgery included 8 root canals, the replacement of several tooth implants, as well as the addition of a few new implants and work on his remaining original teeth. On March 2, 2010, sentencing was postponed again when the courthouse reported a fire in the basement. On March 8, 2010, Lil Wayne was given a one-year sentence, which he served in Rikers Island. His lawyer said the rapper expected to be held in protective custody, separated from other prisoners. In May 2010, Wayne was found by Rikers Island correctional staff to be in possession of contraband, an MP3 player, charger, and headphones. In April 2010, Lil Wayne's friends created a website called Weezy Thanks You, which publishes letters written by Wayne while incarcerated. In the first letter, titled Gone Till November, the rapper said he was staying in good spirits thinking about his children and spending his time working out regularly and reading the Bible every day. Wayne was released from Rikers Island Jail on November 4, 2010 after serving 8 months of his year-long sentence. Following a performance at Quest Arena in Boise, Idaho, Lil Wayne was arrested October 5, 2007 on felony fugitive charges after Georgia authorities accused the rapper of possessing a controlled substance. The incident was later described as a mix-up and the fugitive charges were dropped. On January 23, 2008, Lil Wayne was arrested alongside 2 others. His tour bus was stopped by Border Patrol agents near Yuma, Arizona. A K-9 unit recovered 105 grams, 3.7 ounces, of marijuana, almost 29 grams, 1.0 ounces, of cocaine, 41 grams, 1.4 ounces, of ecstasy, and $22,000 in cash. Lil Wayne was charged with 4 felonies: possession of narcotic drug for sale, possession of dangerous drugs, misconduct involving weapons and possession of drug paraphernalia. He was granted permission to travel outside of the state and remain out of custody on the $10,185 bond he posted. On May 6, 2008, Wayne returned to court in Arizona to plead not guilty to the charges. A bench warrant was issued on March 17, 2010 when Lil Wayne did not show for a final trial management conference. However, the rapper was already incarcerated, serving a one-year sentence in Rikers Island on weapons charges. On June 22, 2010, Wayne pleaded guilty to the charges. As part of the plea deal, he was able to serve 36 months of probation, which he was sentenced to on June 30, 2010. On December 18, 2009, Wayne and 11 others were detained at the Falfurrias, Texas Border Patrol checkpoint after an unknown amount of marijuana was found on 2 of his tour buses. Lawsuits. On July 24, 2008, Abco Music Incorporated filed a lawsuit against Lil Wayne for copyright infringement and unfair competition, specifically referring to the Carter III's track Playing with Fire. In the lawsuit, Abco claims that the song was obviously derived from the Rolling Stones' Play with Fire, to which Abco owns the rights. Subsequently, Playing with Fire was removed from the track list of the Carter III on all online music stores and replaced with the David Banner-produced track, Pussy Monster. In February 2009, production company RMF Productions filed a $1.3 million lawsuit against Wayne, following a $100,000 advance payment for 3 shows, all of which were cancelled by the artist. In October 2009, Lil Wayne, Birdman, Cash Money Records, and various music distribution outlets were sued for copyright infringement by Thomas Mariscalco, who claims his voice was used without permission. The rappers asked him to record some Italian-styled spoken-word recordings in 2006. The lyrics were allegedly used on Respect and other tracks from the rapper's collaboration album Like Father, Like Son and Birdman's 5 Stunner. In March 2011, producer Diesel, Darius Harrison, sued Wayne and his parent label's Cash Money Records over unpaid royalties from the Carter III. In May 2011, Producer Bangladesh also filed a lawsuit against Weezy and Company over unpaid royalties as well. In early June 2011, another producer named David Kirkwood filed a lawsuit against Young Money Entertainment and Cash Money Records on claims that the labels have failed to pay him over $1.5 million in royalties and production services for his work on the album, also including his songwriting on Love Me or Hate Me, a bonus song featured only on the deluxe edition of the album. Also in June 2011, Dallas producers Play and Skills filed a lawsuit against him, claiming Wayne owes them at least $1 million in unpaid royalties for Got Money from his album The Carter 3. The single has sold over 2 million copies since being released. In July 2011, Dundee Enterprises, a production company based in Georgia, filed suit against Wayne, Universal Music Group, Cash Money Records, and Young Money Entertainment, claiming copyright infringement. The lawsuit alleges Wayne stole the song Bedrock, featured on the compilation album We Are Young Money, and seeks damages of $15 million.